In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu in Wix Editor. Start by opening your website in the Wix Editor, so you can work directly on the page where you want the menu to appear. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top left of the screen and click the Add Elements button, marked with a plus icon. This is where Wix keeps all the design and navigation elements you can place on your site. From the list that appears, select Menu and Anchor, or in some versions, Menu and Search. Inside that section, click on Hamburger Menus to browse the pre-designed options available. Wix provides several built-in styles, so take a moment to choose one that matches the look and feel of your website. When you find one you like, click and drag your preferred hamburger menu icon onto the page. In most cases, it's best to place it in the site header so visitors can easily find it on every page. If it snaps into place, that usually means it's aligned correctly with the rest of your header content. Once the icon is added, you can control exactly how it looks and behaves on your live site. Click the hamburger menu icon on the canvas to select it. Then click Set Up the Menu button here. You can decide whether the button shows only the classic 3 lines, the word menu, or both together. This is useful if you want a cleaner minimalist look or something a little more obvious for visitors. Next, click the layout icon to choose how the menu opens. You can have the menu container slide out from the left, slide out from the right, or open as a full screen overlay. Each option creates a slightly different browsing experience, so choose the one that works best for your site style and your audience. After that, switch to the mobile view by clicking the smartphone icon at the top of the editor. On mobile, Wix usually converts your desktop navigation into a hamburger menu automatically. To customize the links and pages that appear when someone taps the mobile menu, click the mobile menu icon and select Edit Menu. This allows you to control what visitors see and make sure your most important pages are easy to access. If you don't see the menu icon in mobile view, click the Hidden Elements icon, which looks like an eye, at the bottom left of the editor, then choose Show. That will make the hidden menu visible again so you can continue editing it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.